Hi, in this video I want to show you how to navigate Schoology a bit, find the information for that your children will be working on, and show you the difference between a parent account and a student account. So if you remember, we logged in as Barbara, and I can see both of my students here. Right now I'm currently, it tells me up here, viewing Mary. Now Mary is in 3rd grade in Mrs. Stoffels' class. And when I go to courses in Mrs. Stoffels' class, I will see this. Each day there will be an announcement up here with the day's date, and just a few things. Might be a review of the day, and then a preview of what's going to be coming up tomorrow. Just a few tidbits. This will be posted each day by 7 p.m. for the next day. And then there's a folder that will be available for the week. And each day you'll see a new folder be available. So if I click on Monday, there's a read this first, and I can click on the daily directions. And this is very similar to what you saw in class tag, all of the information. So it gives you a quick at a glance. And then I have these up here. These are called breadcrumbs. So I can go back to my Monday folder right here. And then I'm going to zip into my math materials here. And there are 3 sheets here. These are all PDF documents. But the one I want to show you is this. This is a discussion. And this is a really good way for the parent or the students and the teachers to be able to have some communication back and forth. So if I click on this, remember I'm in the parent. I'm in the parent account right now. If I click on this discussion, you as a parent can read the information's here, but you don't have the opportunity to comment or reply back to the teacher. Only the student can reply back. So even though you can see all the information, your student is the one that needs to reply back. So in order to do that, you were sent the information on how to help your child log in. You were given their username and password to log into Schoology. So I'm going to log out here, and I'm going to log in as Mary. Hit login. And now I am in, now this is actually Mary's account. And notice that it's just her. She doesn't see her brother. She does not see the parent account. If she goes, she also has a feed, and she is seeing all the information, the updates that are being posted by her teachers. So here's one from Mr. Badel, here's one from Mrs. Stoffel, and there's one further down about that went out to the entire school district. That's what it means with Perrysburg Schools. So if I go to courses and I go to Mrs. Stoffel's 3rd grade, and I see the same thing. I see the announcement. I can also click here, and I can click on Monday. I can read the same daily directions. I'm going to go back to using my breadcrumbs again to Monday. I'm going to go to math materials this time. And now there's a couple of things that you can do. I'm going to show you this though, the discussion and the difference here. I have a comment box because I'm logged. Mary is logged in. This is her account, and I can write a response here, so I could type a response in. I can also, this is the fun part of this feature in Schoology, is there's actually an audio-video recording. So I can actually audio and video record my response, and Mrs. Stoffel would be able to see and hear me through a video that I would post right there. So that is the difference between seeing this in the student account versus when I was in the parent account, just viewing it and seeing what the student could see. The student is the only one who can has the ability to reply to the teacher. The other thing I wanted to show you in the math materials, and this can be done for both the student and the parent account, is if I click on this fluency practice, it brings up a PDF, so you can see that there are some practice sheets. And this is a PDF, so I can print this, and there's a print button right here. So if I click on print, it'll ask me what printer do you want to use, and you would hit print. So that would be another thing that you can do if you choose to do that. So we've gone over how to see the courses. We were in the math materials and talked about the responding to a discussion question. And we also discussed the difference between the student account and the parent account.